Volkswagen Group South Africa is now in its 27th year of involvement in motorsport in South Africa. We've had numerous successes over the 27 years.
Rallying is very much tougher than racing. You have to have very quick turnaround time to fix things, because at the end of the day the car has to be competitive for every kilometer out there in the dirt. This car that we're going to compete in 2011 with, we've changed over 400 things from the initial design. We have to test, we have to verify, we have to come back, we have to make sure the drawings are correct.
Normally you're looking at about between 3 and 4 weeks for a complete design manufacturing process.
We're working in the time frame, we have to get it right first time.
As a driver, I must have a very good feel for what the car is doing, and the car must respond very well to what I want it to do. I think the feedback that we've given them and the changes they've made and the redesigning that they've done has really worked well.
Everything is done in NX and moving from different environments, say from sketching to modeling to your FEAs, etc. is single click.
An interesting example last week was we have to design a new mounting for the transmission in this new car, and in the space of 3 hours 4 different designs were presented. We went and evaluated each one its merits, and in the afternoon they were designing the part that was going to go into production.
By changing certain designs in such a short period of time, obviously there must be a level of confidence involved as well, and that comes with the software.
The integration between Team Center and NX is one of the nice features. Team Center basically manages a bill of materials for you, so that once you change parts, it will automatically update in Team Center, which really simplifies the job of a designer, because you've got more time to spend doing new designs instead of managing which parts are where and managing a bill of materials.
We're using NX obviously inside the Team Center environment, and that helps us quite a lot, especially for 2 designers working in the same vehicle assembly structure, making changes without corrupting the files and so on. And obviously keeping the complete history of all the parts. That was a big plus for us when we went over to Team Center.
It also makes it a lot easier to search for drawings. So if you work in an environment where you've got 5, 7, 8 different projects, there are thousands of drawings.
To actually see the parts before we even start manufacturing that, to see the finished product in a 3D view has changed our way of manufacturing completely. In the past, the CAD guys would come back with some drawings and parts, and then it would be revised again and given to me as a manufacturing supervisor to get the part made.
Now the manufacturing engineer can just open his Team Center system, and he can go into the latest revision for manufacturing, and he can go and print that document or all the data around that document with confidence and actually manufacture it.
Yes, it's very important that we work together, because we find new things every day in our environment, if it's from manufacturing side, out in the field, or from the design office, or just general meetings. And I think it's very important with your suppliers and your other sponsors to always keep everybody in the loop.
I think with STEC and Siemens, and of course BP Ultimate, one of our long-term sponsors, that stability over the last 6 years has also given us a lot of strength with the development of the car and keeping the team stable.
I think Siemens has come really to the party to assist us to produce probably the biggest success story in the history of South African rallying.
The most important thing about motor racing is all the money in the world cannot buy you time. And that is the bottom line.